What do you do when you go to the chart and there is no opportunity for trading? I ask this question because many traders do many crazy things when they can't find some clear opportunity. Please don't do that. For being profitable in Forex market, you should trade correctly, not trade anyway. People trade anyway because in their life they had learned they should do something to get paid. It's different in trading. For being successful in trading, you shouldn't just trade. You should trade correctly. So if you go to the chart and you can't find clear opportunity, maybe you switch the charts, okay? You switch it. If still you can find opportunity, maybe you should leave the chart. It's the better choice. Or you can switch to lower time frame. Because many times when there is no opportunity in higher time frame, there is very good opportunity in lower time frame. So keep in your mind, if there is no opportunity in the market, please don't trade. Don't ignore your strategy. Don't try to force some pattern to the charts. Just trade when there is clear opportunity.